This is an unboxing and first look at the Adidas Alphaboost in the beige colorway. As the name implies, this shoe combines the design elements of the Alphabounce series of shoes with a Boost midsole. Okay, let's get the shoes out. Okay, let's set the box to one side. And here are the shoes. The midsole is made of full-length dual-density Boost. This implementation of Boost feels firmer than the cushioning in Ultraboost series of shoes. The midsole on the lateral side of the shoe as well as on the medial side of the shoe rises up to cover part of the mesh upper. This provides control over the foot's lateral movements. The midsole adopts the wave pattern that is seen in the Alphabounce series, and the wave pattern extends to the mesh upper material. If you remove the insole, you can actually see the Boost midsole peeking from the inside of the shoe. The outsole is made of continental rubber, which provides great traction in dry and wet weather. The outsole for each foot has a total of 18 cutouts, from which you can see the Boost midsole underneath. The upper is made of forged mesh material, which is very light and breathable. The pull tab at the heel is made of leather. The shark's tooth on the heel of the shoe is also made of leather. And the shark's tooth on the lateral side has the Adidas brand embossed into it. The shoe uses flat laces and has 8 eyelets for the laces. The tongue of the shoe has a leather tab which has the Adidas 3 stripes embossed into the leather. These shoes have a very clean and attractive design and an eye-catching colorway. I think it's a good shoe for everyday casual wear.